In the DR options in the right-hand pane, there are other options commonly used. Two of these are the incoming and outgoing DR options. Clicking this option opens a list of DRs, which has either been written by the user, known as outgoing DRs, written to the user, or known as incoming DRs. On these list pages, a user can select a DR for viewing purposes, similar to the dashboard page. Using the headers of each column, the user can sort and streamline the DRs, which are shown. DRs can be sorted by number, by date written, and by date modified. Also, the user can streamline the DR shown by sorting by particular submitter, engineer assigned to, DR status, or by DR priority. To do so, the user should click the drop-down menu and select the appropriate option. The user can also search for a particular DR, entering keywords into the search bar.